Well, we're finally able to put our Hot Wheels collection here, guys, on the wall. So what I'm going to do here, guys, is I'm just going to step you through what I've done. I wasn't going to do any video here, but I figured I might as well share the knowledge. As you can see, I got a few. I don't have lots, but enough that I can show on the wall there, basically. And these are the collections I have. Just the cars that I actually like. That is the cars that are my favorite. But first of all, I want to walk you through this little part here that I got from Home Depot. It's just a little strip, as you can see here. It's just like there's a groove on it itself, and it basically sits the card. The actual card here will just sit along the groove here. And then what I'll do is I'll basically sandwich two going this way, so that way it's going to be nice and proportioned. So anyways, that's what basically we're going to be doing. This is about 8 feet actually, so I cut it in half. There's about 4. Length is 4 feet. So so what we're going to do here, I'm going to show you guys as well. I'm using a double-sided tape. And can you come over here, Hans? I have a double-sided tape here that I'm using to put it on the wall. I have about 5 of them across. And so basically there's the peel here, the actual to expose the adhesive, and then I'll use it on the wall. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I have on the wall now. Sorry if you can focus over here. As you can see what I've done already, guys. So I wasn't gonna show it to you guys, but I figured might as well share the knowledge here. So as you can see, all the collections I have, and I have about 2 more rows up top here. 2 more rows I have to put up top for the rest of the collection. So I hope I have enough cars to put in there, or else I'll probably run out and get a few more to fill it up, basically. So anyways, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, I just want to show you exactly what I have to do here to make this going. First of all, what you need is you got to make sure that it's leveled. The first row is level really well. And what I use basically in this case is that I have this leveling, come this way, Sarah, so that way you don't get shine on your face there. So stay on this side. So I'll show you guys this tool that I use to level everything. So I have this laser leveling tool here. And as you can see right now, I have to calibrate it to be able to center properly. As you can see, once it's leveled nicely, then the first row is leveled, then it's easy enough to just go up and use the card itself like I'm showing you here. Let me turn this off quickly. Okay, so now how I actually do this is that I put one on this end, another one on the middle, and then another one on this end here. And I use the edge of the card itself there, the casing, to see where I can line it up perfectly. Technically there. So, and then what I do then is that I make sure that I peel this off. It's gonna take some time to peel this off. So once I peel and finish the peeling off the adhesive here, and then I just basically stick it in the wall using those 3. There you go, and I already took that other one out. So basically, seat this one on top, there, and then just work the other one in there, so that way, there you go. So now as you can see, you just have to make sure that you have your flush on this side. So once you know that you're flush, then you can pretty much just place the first adhesive in there, and then you can work off this side now. And make sure that you don't put too much pressure, so that way the card can slide freely, So you don't want it too tight that you can't really put everything, or you can't make the card slide. So now it is sliding nicely, guys, as you can see. So that's perfect there. And if it's slightly tight, you can push it a little bit, so that way, because the adhesive itself is, they're very pliable, so they do switch around. So anyways, so that's basically what I did. And as you can see here, I got all my Audis on this side, and I got all my Porsches on this side here in the middle, and then all my Honda cars are up here. And then I'll be putting some other random ones on the top there, and have 2 more rows to go. All right, so basically here, this is how I put them in. So you slide them in one by one, all the way to the next one there. Make sure that it's aligned nicely. Yeah, it is aligned. So you gotta get more Nissan. I have few Nissan GTRs. I got R32, 33. I don't have 34 and 35 yet, so hopefully I can find those. It would be great in the addition of this collection here. So sometimes you just have to, you know, move it around a little bit, the cards, and then it will slide in. Right now, a few random cars here that I like. Even got a Volvo here, station wagon. And lastly, you got a BMW M3 wagon. As you guys know, I'm kind of is a wagon kind of guy, so there you go. I'll just put the last one in. Once I have another set, then I can keep going up basically on the wall and add to the bottom, or add on the top. I can basically go up if I want to, or I could fill up the whole wall if I want to, because this thing goes all the way across, which is like 8 feet. This wasn't my original idea technically. I found this in one of the YouTube channels where some people use this strip here to hold all the collection. So just gotta make sure you press it again one more time to make sure the adhesive is on nicely. So anyways guys, I hope you liked that video. And again, if you guys haven't yet, please like, comment, and subscribe. And as I like to say it, peace out.